Hello everyone, I welcome you all once again to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, this is Anjali and I'm currently pursuing my MD Dermatology from AIMS New Delhi. So, in the midst of when I was at home, I got to know 2 to 3 days back that NEET PG 2026 has got some very huge updates. And it was obvious that I was flooded with a lot of questions from the aspirants itself that does it warrant any change in the strategy? Is there anything extra to be added up in my strategy? Am I doing the right thing or does that need any change with the kind of pattern that is changing right now? So, this video is about addressing all of these doubts, and I wanted to clear it at once and for all. And let's dive into it. So, firstly, let's talk about what actually NEET PG 2026 has got to do with. I know you'll be very well versed with the kind of change that has been introduced. तुम्हें मुझसे ज़्यादा पता होगा as you're going through the examination. But I wanted to conclude some things out of the kind of change that has been proposed. Firstly, decreasing the number of questions from 200 to 180. This brings out two things into it. पहला कि giving less number of questions and making the time as it was previously, you're giving more amount of time to a particular question. Now that means that the question could be lengthier, could be more clinically oriented, could be more integrated. Like अगर पहले इंटीग्रेशन सिर्फ 4 सब्जेक्ट का होता था तो मे बी 6 to 7 सब्जेक्ट्स को इंटीग्रेट करके वो बहुत लंबा क्लिनिकल स्टेम बना दे एंड एट द एंड तो तुम्हें वो लास्ट 2 3 लाइन पढ़ के यू नीड टू गेट ऑन विद द आंसर राइट व्हाट आई थिंक what my prediction goes with. Secondly, जो FMG का paper इस time हुआ था, the FMG paper, I haven't been through it, but what reviews I have gotten from the FMG students was that it was too lengthy, more clinically oriented. ANT opthal has a huge weightage, but that is not of concern to us personally per se because ENT and ophtha का weightage FMG में पता नहीं वो पहले से ही ज़्यादा रखते हैं, which I, according to my past trends, went through it, and I did not find it to be similar in our NEET PG के trends. But what shocking was that ki more of video based questions, more of clinical STEM based questions, more of GIF kind of things being introduced. So this could be one point of concern where they are trying to move on to, and they're basically trying to mimic the MLE pattern. Now, what actually, if you have ever been through the MLE questions, like I have never prepared for MLE per se, but when my friends were preparing for it, I have seen these questions and they're quite lengthy, they're quite a lot of integration about various subjects, and then you tend to figure it out the answers by the last sentences or many things propounding around it. Now, the second thing that they have introduced, and which also comes out as a conclusion of the first part, that agar the number of questions are increased now, you have a very narrow range of scores. So the clustering at a particular score increases now, right? And as soon as the clustering increases, जो तुम्हारी क्लस्टरिंग को एलिमिनेट करने की एलिमिनेट करने का प्रोसेस होता है एंड फिर रैंक सेग्रीगेट आउट करना होता है वहाँ पे दे हैव इंट्रोड्यूस दिस कॉन्सेप्ट कि पहला फ्यूअर नेगेटिव्स एंड दैट वाज ओके चलो फ्यूअर नेगेटिव्स ओवरऑल जिसका होगा इज गोना गेट द हायर रैंक एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल विल बी गेटिंग द लोअर रैंक्स but the second thing that they introduced was fewer negatives section wise manner mein, like first A, B, C, D, E. And this was something new to the pattern, right? And now I feel that the kind of strategy that we were using previously needs a little bit of change that we're going to use it now. And let's talk about the strategy per se. So the first thing that I wanted to clear to every one of you, no need to change the source of information that you're using right now. मुझे बहुत सारे बच्चों के DMs आए हैं कि मैम ये वाला कोर्स ले ले, ये वाला कोर्स ले ले, ये वाला कोर्स ले ले. See, अभी सारी platforms, make it, mark it very consciously into your mind that every platform is going to just make you buy the things because they have introduced this new pattern. Do not fall for this trap. जिस भी प्लेटफॉर्म में तुम पढ़ रहे हो every platform is going to adapt to this change, every platform is going to introduce this change, every platform is going to make its GT for you in that particular manner for the next remaining 2 months of your preparation, right? So you don't have to fall into the trap of going and asking the other platform or buying the other platform for it. No, just stick to the source you have already been using it. The first thing. The second thing that I seriously want you all to do it is solve FMGEK papers. And now the next question is कि कहाँ से मिलेंगे मैम? See, platforms gradually introduce कर देंगे. Even I don't have it and I really have to work it out to get these questions. So I probably feel कि 10-15 दिन में you'll be having FMG के papers with solutions, proper solutions के साथ तुम्हें सारे platforms पे मिल जाएंगे. इनफैक्ट वीडियो बेस्ड एंड GIF वाली चीज़ तो प्लेटफॉर्म्स ही तुम्हें मतलब उनके ऑनलाइन लिंक्स में बता सकते हैं, which I can't really help you with. So once they introduce that, go thoroughly, do FMGEK paper, do everything, every single line is important. Give it a day, do it properly. Because when I had my NEET PG and FMG, as I already told you, कि FMG हमारे time भी almost हफ्ते भर पहले हो गया था, and they genuinely repeated those questions which were never previously asked, and they were asked. Right. So it could be a thing कि video based या GIF या clinical stems या कुछ topics which weren't of concern right now can be of concern because they have asked it in FMG. The bodies are same, they can do anything right now. Hope you understand that you have to go through the FMG papers. देखो वैसे भी तुम पुरानी papers करने ही वाले हो, but ये वाला जो recent paper है has to be done at the tips so that you get a kind of idea about how is the paper going to be, right? And if you're lucky enough and दो से तीन questions वो repeat कर दे, that's the greatest deal. And you can't miss on that because everyone is going to do that, right? Now I've always said you कि 100 MCQs रखो, 50 PYQs करो, 50 random tags करो, and as soon as now since the exam is approaching, I'll tell you कि अब move on to more and more PYQs. But now there should be a change in the trend of the MCQs that you're approaching. सबसे पहले अब तुम्हारा दिमाग ऐसा होना चाहिए कि भाई मुझे सेक्शन ए में सबसे कम गलतियां करनी है, and that is not in our hands. Frankly, that is definitely not in our hands. But now what you have to do is a very smart guess of the MCQs. It's not just about doing the MCQs and eliminating the one which you don't know. क्योंकि देखो नीट पीजी में it's always that you have to attempt the maximum number of questions क्योंकि वहाँ पे रेंज ही बहुत ऊपर है, like 180 190 इतने क्वेश्चन सही होते हैं टॉपर्स के, एंड रेंज बहुत ऊपर है, like 160 170 करेक्ट लाने होंगे तो बैंक ऑन अ सिक्योर्ड सीट देयर. ठीक है, तो अब यहाँ पे तुम्हें बहुत ही एजुकेटिव गैस, एक स्मार्ट रीजनिंग का यूज करना होगा. That is, if you're able to eliminate two options and you're remaining with two options and you have a logical reasoning behind a single option, go for it. But if you are totally vague about the question, like you don't know to eliminate, तीन options बच रहा है, चार options बच रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं समझ आ रहा है, just leave it. Because जब clustering होगी तो this is going to benefit you at the max, right? And clustering ज़रूर होगी क्योंकि they have narrowed down the marks range. It is sure shot की clustering होने वाली है. Now the second thing in MCQ's approach is clinical STEM, video based. ये जो questions होते हैं, जैसे जैसे मैंने मैरो में देखा था कि वीडियो बेस्ड में एक सिल्वरमैन स्कोरिंग या डाउन स्कोरिंग का कुछ तो उन्होंने बनाया था वीडियो. एक बच्चा था PICU में आई गेस, एंड वी हैड टू स्कोर इट डाउन, समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई डोंट नो FMG की क्वेश्चन पेपर में कैसा कैसा आया है. आई हैव टू रियली गो थ्रू इट. आई हैवंट बीन थ्रू इट. इट्स जस्ट द ओपिनियंस दैट आई हैव गॉट from people who have been through the examination. But this is the kind of trend I am predicting, right? And I could be wrong as well. But जो FMG में आता है वैसा ही similar trend देखा गया है नीट में भी. Okay? So MCQs में basically तुम्हें यही करना है. ट्राई लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर क्लिनिकल स्टेम के क्वेश्चंस, जो बड़े स्टेम के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उनको ढंग से देखो, एनालाइज करो, एंड इंटीग्रेशन चीज़ को ज़्यादा अडेप्टेशन में लाओ. बिकॉज सी द मोर एंड मोर इंटीग्रेटेड वुड इट बी, द मोर एंड मोर कंफ्यूजिंग दे वुड लाइक टू मेक इट बिकम the question. But once you are adapted to the change, it will turn out easy for you. And ये चीज़ तुम्हें अडेप्ट करनी होगी कि 10-15 लाइन का अगर क्वेश्चन आ रहा है तो तुम लास्ट लाइन से रीड करना शुरू करो. बिकॉज अगर क्लिनिकल स्टेम्स लंबी हुई तो इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर यू, एंड पहले 3-4 लाइन में तुम एग्जॉस्ट हो जाओगे. तो इससे बेटर है कि पहला लास्ट लाइन पढ़ो. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल उन्होंने नीचे कोई डायग्राम दे दिया, जैसे आई रिमेंबर माई INI का एक क्वेश्चन था, नीचे उन्होंने डायग्राम दे दिया था एंट्रोबियस के एग का, and they had a huge clinical stem. ये हो रहा है पेशेंट को, ये हो गया वो हो गया. And ultimately what was that? We just had to identify. The figure was there, nothing to do. क्या clinical stem में लिखा है मुझे उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. Figure है, I know the organism, I know how the egg looked like. And the answer was straightforward. So this is the way now you have to approach. You have to go through the second 2 lines or the last 1 line, see what they're trying to ask, and then approach the question. It shouldn't be like बहुत ही वेग अटेम्प्ट, क्योंकि अगर बड़े क्वेश्चन आएंगे ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. जो तुम्हें ज़्यादा टाइम दिख रहा है ना उससे भी ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा और तुम घूम जाओगे. और एग्जाम के प्रेशर में इतना लंबा लंबा पढ़ोगे, would be very difficult task for you. Try to understand this very, very better. See, I do understand the kind of panic it would have created into your minds. See, for an aspirant, be it a small change, be it a bigger change, it's a change, and the change matters to us. But ये जो change है ये हर इंसान के लिए है. Every aspirant that is going to sit with you is gonna have this change, has to adapt to it, and the one who adapts to it very quickly understands the task is the one who wins the race. तुम्हें बस इतना करना है कि अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स को क्लियर रखना है। हर चीज़ तुम्हारे कॉन्सेप्ट पे ही डिपेंडेंट है। द बेटर यू आर एट इट, द बेटर यू कैन एक्सेल ऑन इट। एंड सिंस इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी मोर लेंदियर, मोर क्लिनिकल स्टेम बेस्ड, तो जिनके कॉन्सेप्ट्स अच्छे होंगे, दे आर गोइंग टू गेट a huge advantage out of it. And this is the main source of thing that you should understand right now. Do not panic about anything right now. Just stay consistent with the kind of revision pattern, with the kind of schedule that you have formed for yourself. It's just a need in the change to the approach and the type of MCQs that has changed, right? You just have to believe in your MCQ solving skills and give importance to clinical when it's the more lengthier questions, the more video based questions, more image based questions, which is the concerning trend.